Hello explorers, welcome to part 2 of our Apo Island adventure. If you've missed part 1, see the link above or in the description below. If you're new to my channel, I'm Nat from the Traveling Foxes and I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For this video, we'll be checking out Apo Island and seeing what it's like for non-divers. We just came for a day trip and left later in the afternoon. Hope you enjoy! Your small blue bag? It's there. At least it's shallow here. I hope we can get back later. Nikki's place. I guess this is just another restaurant. Okay. I guess this is where you snorkel or start. A lot of tourists here. Okay, so we got ourselves a table, 300 pesos per table, and you could stay the whole day. So it's not a problem what time you get here and what time you want to leave. And we've got some food from our hotel. We ordered ahead packed food, but you can order food here. So we got some grill available, and they also have soft drinks and water for you to buy. The pizza's alright, huh? Ah, it's very spicy. So we've ordered some food from here. Oh, looks so good. All grilled.
Mahaba cheese.
Cheese dog?
Oh. Boche.
What is it?
I don't know from what inside the chicken, inside the
Okay.
What's wrong with
I
you?
want a burnt hot dog. Lots of food coloring, guys. Don't eat this. I think we were gone for like approximately an hour, and you could see the tide has really changed so fast since the video earlier. But yeah, anyway, the snorkeling was pretty amazing. As they said that you don't really need to go diving to see the turtles, because actually you would see a lot more of them in the really shallow areas, because this is where they go and find food. And I hope you guys enjoyed all those videos of all the turtles, because there was just so much. So I mean, like so many turtles, and all in different sizes, and they're quite massive, the ones we've seen. And I'm pretty sure we probably haven't even seen the biggest one of them all that, you know, resides in Apo Island. So yeah, such a great experience. And if I were to compare the dive experience versus the snorkeling, I would say, to be honest with you, there isn't much difference. So if you're not a diver, then it's no big deal, because snorkeling, you'd see the same amount of turtles and corals. The corals in this area were also very, very nice. Very similar to what I saw in the diving area. But I would suggest that it would be faster if you get fins. I didn't have any fins on, so sometimes I would just hold on to the buoy and have the tour guide pull me and my mom around. But if you really want to see more of the island, just get some fins and explore more of it, because there's so much to see. And I can guarantee you'd see a turtle every like 150 meters or so. So yeah, great experience. And yeah, maybe I'll share with you guys some drone shots of the area, since the rest of my party is still in the water.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you.
Marks the end of my Apo adventure, or our Apo adventure. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did snorkeling and exploring the underwater world. Anyway, if you also want to support my channel, I just started memberships. If you want to check it out, you're going to get advanced viewing to a lot of my videos. I'm going to start also making content just for members, and also other ways to support my channel, super likes, or even just if you can like this video, that would be super great. And I hope to see you all on the next adventure. Bye for now, guys.